Upalokayukta Justice Subhash Adi, along with a team of researchers studying the increasingly toxic nature of the Vartur Lake, visited the spot this evening. Dr. T.V. Ramachandra and Dr. Durga Mahapatra from the Center for Ecological Sciences too were present at the very spot. Our correspondent Bansi spoke to the Upalokayukta.
Well, this is Vartur Lake in eastern Bengaluru, and here the problem of the lake frothing, throwing up huge amounts of froth, which the authorities had taken note of. We have the Upalokayukta, Justice Subhash B. Adi, who is visiting the spot to carry out an inspection. So, Justice, have you found out anything here?
No, technically I do not know the reason, but the scientists told me that because of the formation of carbohydrate and affluent and contents, and it is due to the pollution to the water by the trade, particularly industries. He says it is because of the industries situated nearby this lake. This is all happening, and he has given a report on this. And the reports are before the government, and nobody had taken action. In fact, I visited earlier for the purpose of surveying the entire lake and protecting the encroachment.
Okay, we can see the foam really gathering pace, and there it is as gusty winds blow. You can see the froth being blown off the lake and being carried onto the road, and motorists very in fact it is not a pleasant sight really. Although it looks like snow, it is not nice at all, because this is sewage water. So Justice, you were talking about the progress of this.
Now, the progress is this: no authority knows what is really happening here. The authorities come here, visit, and they go there. Now the Pollution Control Board is here. They say that they have checked every industries and everything, and BWSSB is there to check the sewage water entering into the lake. The BDA has undertaken to develop it. BBMP is a local authority, and district administration, which has to survey and protect the lake. All these authorities are there, regulations are there, and they have a policy also, and there is over and above there is a Lake Development Authority. Unfortunately, when the incident of fire happened, everybody started looking at it. But there are many lakes, they are polluted, and this fire accident is one of the phenomena which is happening here. Other than this froth and this foam formation, sometimes it goes above the road, and the school buses, the children in the vicinity from his school, they came and complained. They have tested the water. They have said that this is polluted. Not only the lake is polluted, but surrounding bore wells are polluted, and the people are drinking, dependent on these bore wells. They are drinking, and most of the patients admitted surrounding hospitals are mainly due to the water contamination. With all this also.
So Justice, is it not possible to stop this?
Now it's possible. Everything is possible. He is a scientist. He can give the reasons. There is an authority. We can take it. But the responsibility is on the government. And the government must come forward with a concrete policy, definite policy, what should be done, how to put an end to it. It is not just temporary measure. It is a permanent basis on what can be done. And that should be the government's view. And they have to spend money and protect the lake. And according to him, it is a very rich heavy metal ore and other things, and it is a profitable one. Protecting this lake is a profitable one. But now today, it is a most polluted lake. People who walk around here, you can just see that they close their nose, and this foot and the foam flying in the air. Sometimes accidents have happened. These are all reported. But despite that, is it necessary that everything should be shown on TV? Authorities must act and take a decision and put an end to this.
Justice Adi, will you be pulling up some government
I have already issued notice, and this complaint is before me. We are asking them to do something. They are coming forward with a report. In fact, today itself I have issued notice on why this fire, particularly in this lake and Badandur Lake, and what is the steps taken by all the district administration, Pollution Control Board, BWSSB, and all other authorities. Then I have fixed the meeting also.
Thank you. There it is, Justice Subhash B. Adi, Upalokayukta, on an inspection to the Vartur Lake. With camera person Murthy, this is Bansi for News 9.
TV Ramachandra expressed great concern over the lake being polluted.
Well, the frothing formation in the lake clearly shows there is a large-scale contamination, which is mainly because of the sewage coming from the households. For that, this valley receives about 500 MLD of sewage every day. Apart from that, there are industrial effluent getting into this valley. Now, what we saw the fire episode day for yesterday evening is because of the effluents that is passing over this froth. All the people residing here are consuming the groundwater, irrespective of the economic strata. So we need to act immediately, otherwise our children are paying heavy price for that.